Hey guys, welcome back to Dual Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Fallout 4 for the PC. Today I'm running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX 570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory mode. And if you're wondering, I am playing at 1080p on the Ultra preset. That's right, it's doing really well. Shocked, to be honest with you. No discernible config or anything. This is just 1080p Ultra, guys. And we're playing some Fallout 4 here. This is the final video on Fallout 4. I've already done a low-end config, show you guys how to run it properly on integrated graphics. And I must say, considering this is the first time I'm booting it up on the RX 570, crap looks really good. Like, damn, I've been missing out playing that crap on lower settings with configs, man. It looked terrible comparatively. This looks awesome. Look at the streets and stuff. Damn, 2016, man. Come on, doggo. Let's go this way. So we're using about 5 gigs of RAM, which isn't bad for 2016. That's pretty good. And only 3 gigs of VRAM. That's really good. Ah, crap. I figured the other guy. Hey, leave my dog alone. Oh no. Stimpat the dog. I'm sorry, buddy. Let's get you back in the fight. Oh, hey, look. A civilian. He wasn't really a civilian, now was he? But he was unarmed, which was easy for the takings. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you making my job easier for me. I ain't gonna say not. Ow, who the heck?
I've got a group of settlers inside. The raiders are almost through the door. Grab that laser musket and help us.
Boy, that does not tell me where I get shot from. That does not help me at all. Who shot me? You know, I've never come up here before. In all my tests, I never bothered to come up here. Probably shouldn't have come up here now, to be honest with you. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Doggo, I need you to excuse me, please. Thank you. Anyway, let's move on with it. You won't be needing that stuff. Let me take off your stuff that I will never wear. Yes. Yes, sorry, Bob. What I like about this is the power limit isn't too bad. Normally I have this set to like 50 watts. It's doing in this. It's not even. It's closer to 40, which is great for me in this type of environment. The 3 gigs of VRAM, man. Even in 2016, when me Tomb Raider basically raised it to Tomb Raider maxed out VRAM. So what am I saying? That was 2015. Damn. Games be hard to run, guys. 4 gigs ain't cutting it anymore. But we can do 10. We can get 1080p Ultra here all day long. Damn. Okay. Doggo, remember me never to piss you off. I like how I just missed all the shots. Doggo just like, alright, forget this. Just rushed him. He's dead. Like, oh, good. Oh, boy. I see you handled it for me. I appreciate it. It's funny, it's like they never seem to have any ammo for the gun I'm using. It's crazy, man.
Head over there.
But anyway, I'm just gonna mute myself now. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Doggo, calm down. There's no one here.
Come on.
This is Fallout 4. It runs perfectly well on the RX 570 and the i7-4790. Handles the game incredibly well. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay.
Hold out for the others. Like what? coming in there, and they're gonna skin every last one of you! You hear that? Get some, fuck! Don't you die on me!
Hey.
Man, I don't know who you are, but your timing's impeccable. Preston Garvey, Commonwealth Minuteman.
God damn it.
Glad to help.
Well, if that's true, we could use some more goodwill. As you can see, we're in a bit of a mess here.
Maybe? Nope.
Please, go on.
A month ago, there were 20 of us. Yesterday, there were 8. Now we're 5. First, it was the ghouls in Lexington, and now this mess.
Sorry. Sounds really rough.
Thanks.
Maybe?
It's good to meet someone who really cares. Anyway, we figured Concord would be a safe place to settle. Those raiders proved us wrong. But, well, we do have one idea.
That ain't it.
One good idea can make all the difference.
Sturgis? Tell her.
There's a crashed vertibird up on the roof. Old school. Pre-war. You might have seen it. Well, looks like one of its passengers left behind a seriously sweet goodie. We're talking a full suit of cherry T-45 power armor. Military issue.
I like it.
Yeah, I thought you might. Protection with an added bonus. Get the suit. You can rip the minigun right off the vertibird. Do that, and those raiders get an express ticket to hell. You dig?
Minigun. Now we're...
It can.
The answer's no. I'm out.
Just like that, huh? You come this far, then condemn these poor people to die? All right. Have it your way. Stay safe. Maybe at least one of us will survive this.